How to reverse money on Capitec app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Mastering the art of reversing transactions on Capitec app is crucial in today's digital age, where financial control and security are paramount. So, to reverse money on the Capitec app seamlessly, follow these steps. Begin by ensuring that you have the latest version of the Capitec app installed on your device. Once installed, log in securely using your PIN to access your account. Within the app, locate the Transact tab, typically situated at the bottom of the screen. Tap on this tab to proceed to the next step. Within the Transact section, find and tap on the option labeled View Transaction History. This action will display a comprehensive list of your recent transactions, providing you with an overview of your financial activity. Scroll through your transaction history to locate the specific transaction you wish to reverse. Take your time to identify the transaction accurately before proceeding to the next step. Within the transaction details screen, keep an eye out for the prominently displayed reverse or refund option. If available, this option will facilitate the reversal process efficiently. The Capitec app will then provide you with clear and concise on-screen instructions to guide you through the reversal process. These instructions may include providing a reason for the reversal and accepting any applicable fees associated with the transaction reversal. Once you have reviewed all the details and provided the necessary information, proceed to submit your reversal request. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy before finalizing your request. By following these steps meticulously, you can reverse transactions on the Capitec app. So, this is how you can reverse money on Capitec app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.